Hello, and welcome to another update video about FET. FET has reversed on Monday in my support zone that I communicated. Obviously, we have the large main support area here on the chart that we talked about. And then also I gave you this sort of micro support region when I saw the potential that we could turn around from here, right? It's going to get interesting. I can't remember exactly what I said or wrote. I did mention something like it could be very, very decisive now. So always try to make you aware of things before things happen. I did mention, so I just read what I posted on our Signals channel for Gold member. The nearest support zone is defined between 219 and 207. Below 207, it's likely that the previous swing lows will be tested. To keep the yellow microstructure alive, the price would, there was a post guy, to keep the yellow microstructure alive, the price would need to hold 207 and the break above 243 would need to follow, which is all that, well, all of that happened now, right? This yellow wave one broke. In the next larger wave to the upside, the price should reach the $5 area. And I think we are currently on our way and it's looking promising. That's what, I'll give you these support zones when I see the potential, but obviously we need confirmation, like structurally, from a breakout. First breakout signal was a break above this wave one high on Saturday, which was here the, let me just double check that. Yeah, on Saturday. Yeah, because we broke above it. So that was actually happening on Tuesday. So Tuesday broke above, so yesterday we broke above the Saturday high. That was the first breakout signal, as I mentioned back then. And then the green line is now broken as well. That's crucial because that was the next swing high. Now there's really only one left in this range, which is the $2.64 level. So I'd like to break that or get that broken next. But I already communicated on Discord earlier today that I assume that we're now heading to the $4.75 area, maybe even higher, as long as we're holding above that Monday low. Because that's now the key level. That's now the key level that really needs to hold, because only then this microstructure is really valid. Okay. Of course, this is far away from like convincing what we see here. This could all just be a B wave rally or something. But I've really, I've mentioned in really every video now in the last few weeks the potential for a rally. We have now seen that the price is pulling away from the support regions. I had two of them. One is the main one, but I know that some of you are trading short term, so I gave you a short term support zone. And you can also see how the price got like squeezed into the apex of this triangle. And now we see a breakout to the upside. So that's interesting. The only way, however, how this yellow count could really play out is as a diagonal pattern, not as an impulse. So while the C wave might be an impulse, which is why I gave you that support zone, the entire pattern in yellow here would be a diagonal. So it's a bit, be aware that there will be changes in microstructures and everything, because we're dealing basically with corrective wave structures. But I also mentioned that if this is now a third wave, circle wave 3 of a larger fifth, then it should reach the first ideal target. I've actually put it onto the chart here. Should reach 359 and then possibly even higher. The fifth wave should reach $4.02 plus, but ideally, because the larger degree target points to sort of $4.75 or maybe even higher, we see an extension in the third wave. Now I think it's too early to that we all vibrate out of our chairs, but obviously it turned around where it needed to. It requires close monitoring because the rally from the 13th of April low is just corrective. So as I said, it could easily be a B wave top, which would be confirmed with a break below the Monday low, or at least it would become more likely. At least it would lead to a delay in the breakout. And a break below the Monday low could indicate that we retest the lower support region around $1.57 next. But that's the alternative until we break that low, because at the moment we see some upside momentum. That doesn't mean it has to go up in a straight line. There will be ups and downs, but ideally higher highs and higher lows if the yellow count is really being followed. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.